WEBKNOSSOS effortlessly integrates with your data and favorite tools. In this video, you will learn how to download, import, and stream data from WEBKNOSSOS. To begin this tutorial, I will show you how to export your data as TIFF images. Start by creating a bounding box with the Bounding Box tool. Adjust it so that it covers the desired area. Then, access the Download option from the drop-down menu and select TIFF Export. Choose the layer you want to export and click Export. The TIFF stack will be saved in your download folder. To automate this process with Python, follow the same initial steps. Select Python Client in the download modal, then copy the provided code. Use the Python lib documentation for more code examples to interact with your data. Run the code on your computer to complete the process. WEBKNOSSOS integrates seamlessly with other analysis softwares, enabling you to work with datasets from tools like Neuroglancerr and Fiji. Let's see an example of importing a Neuroglancerr dataset to WEBKNOSSOS. First, find the release dataset you would like to import online and copy its URL. In WEBKNOSSOS, click on Add Dataset and select Add Remote Dataset. Paste the link, then click Add Layer. Similar to adding local data as we saw earlier, choose a target folder. Define a name for your dataset. And click Import. Once the dataset is imported, open it and enjoy the view. You can easily stream datasets from WEBKNOSSOS to other software applications. Let's take a look at an example of opening a WEBKNOSSOS dataset in Neuroglancerr. To do this, navigate to your dataset in WEBKNOSSOS and access the drop-down menu. Choose ZAR links and a modal will appear. From there, select the desired layer for generating a ZAR link. Next, switch to Neuroglancerr and navigate to the Source tab. Insert the ZAR prefix followed by pasting the link. Select the type of data you are streaming, such as an image layer in this case. If you wish to add additional layers, such as a segmentation layer, return to your WEBKNOSSOS dataset, copy the ZAR link for the segmentation layer, create a new layer in Neuroglancerr, and insert the new link. Enhance your data interactions using WEBKNOSSOS with the insights gained from this tutorial. Get started for free at webknossos.org.